What's up everyone? Many people ask about the difference between Google Maps and Google Maps Go. Let's explore both and see the difference in this video. Starting with the interface, there isn't much of the difference. On Google Maps, you get to see the nearby places on the top. But Google Maps Go shows those categories down the bottom. You get to select between train, traffic and satellite on the interface, while Maps Go puts all those options in the left menu. Google Maps also supports voice typing, whereas the other one does not. In terms of the navigation, you can search for places, check the public transport and find walking paths in both. But you can't navigate on Google Maps Go. It uses another app called Navigation for Google Maps Go, which enables this functionality. The app is specially made for Google Maps Go and designed for low memory phones. The navigation app only comes with a few options, including exit navigation, sound on off and set maps to face towards north. Google Maps on the other hand is an all-rounder app with built-in navigation. It offers features including add a stop, change map view, report something, car speed and limit and much more. Anyway, in Maps Go, we don't have the option to download the maps offline. Google Maps can be opened without the internet and you can download maps to use when the internet is not available. While offline, the app finds the shortest route as the traffic information is not available. Let's talk about the transit options. Google Maps supports walking, cycling, motorbike, car and public transport routes. Maps Go comes with the same options, but as I mentioned earlier, we need a separate app to navigate. In the bottom menu, you get the drive, walk, bike, bus, metro and train options. Those easily allow you to put the address and start navigating. Moving to the location sharing, it is also not available on Google Maps Go, but it offers to see the people you are sharing the location with if you have shared your location in Google Maps. So what about the storage? Google Maps occupies 144 MB of storage, whereas Google Maps Go occupies about 255 KB. That's a lot of difference. The reason for less than 1 MB storage is the interface, because the app does not has its interface. It uses Google Chrome to run. But if we also combine the navigation for Maps Go app, which takes more than 20 MB, so in total you are saving about 90 MB of storage if you are installing Google Maps Go and Maps navigation. So what if you disable or uninstall Google Chrome? Well, Google Maps Go won't work. The app requires Google Chrome, and if you try to open it without Google Chrome, you will get a message the app needs Chrome to run. So which one is for you? While testing both on 3G network, I did not find any issues. So as long as you have a 3G network, both will work fine. If you are a regular Maps user, then go with Google Maps. In contrast, for an occasional user, I would say Maps Go, as it won't consume that much memory, nor it will send many traffic, restaurant or other notifications. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope the video helped. Please let me know what you think of both in the comments and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.